My name is Yash.
Yash, and he is a magician, illusionist and trickster.
Alright, who's a better liar among the two of you?
What?
Who's really lying?
Lying.
Yeah. Who can lie to me?
He can.
Okay, perfect. Let's try this. Take the card. Show it to the audience. Show it to the camera.
Okay.
Done? Yeah. Place it. Now you see your card, you don't see your card, you're supposed to lie to me. Fair enough? Just keep a poker face and lie. Fair enough? Was this your card?
Yes.
Perfect. Aman is going to lie. Okay. Was this your card?
Yes.
Perfect. Was this your card?
Yes.
Perfect. I don't think so any of these cards were your cards. What I feel your card is this right here. Now, be honest with me. Hold this. This is your card. Be honest.
No.
What was your card?
Fuck. Fuck. Oh, bhai. Damn. Seriously.
Amazing, yaar.
Great man.
Thanks a lot, man.
You gave me goosebumps, bro. Literally.
Oh yeah.
So you have any channel or something?
I do this as a hobby, yeah. Because
Still, bro.
I'm gonna get into it as a psychological thing.
Okay.
So, dono mein leke aane wala hai. I'm gonna do it, but right now it's just.
It's awesome. Like you gave me goosebumps, bro.
Yaar, amazing.
Okay. Now all this time I had the deck in my hand. Let's do something without the deck. Okay. What's your favorite number between 1 to 10?
7.
7. Do you want to change the number or you're okay with it?
No, I'm okay with it.
Okay. Now imagine you have the color red in one hand, the color black in one hand.
Okay.
Give me one color, red or black.
Black.
You're giving me black?
Yep.
So you're keeping red?
Yes.
Okay. Now in red, there's hearts and there's diamonds. Throw one there and keep one aside. What are you throwing there? Hearts or diamonds?
Hearts.
And you're keeping?
Diamond.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You can throw hearts and you can keep diamonds. That's what you're doing? What do you want to keep?
Diamond.
Diamond? Okay. So you said 7, then red, and he said diamonds.
Yep.
Yeah.
Check the top card.
Dude. It's psychological. It's psychological.
It is.
It's psychological. You made me to think about 7 and
Nice.
God.
Where are you guys from?
Delhi.
Delhi? I love you. I'm from Bombay.
Oh, nice.